You are not merely a physical being existing in a material world. You are composed of energy and inhabit a universe where everything vibrates with energy. The ability to receive and transmit energy is inherent in you. However, living as an energy being in a world filled with energy presents one of your most significant challenges. Every action, every word you speak, from the simplest tasks like breathing and walking to the complexities of emotions and thoughts, all require energy. These emotions and thoughts carry their own unique vibrations that shape your experiences and leave an impact on the world around you. The mastery of your vibrations opens the gateway to boundless potential. Envision yourself as a transmitter of energy, constantly emitting signals that convey information about your being to the universe. These signals have the power to attract or repel other energetic entities, events, and experiences. For instance, if your energetic self radiates anger and frustration, your physical reality will mirror these emotions. Conversely, when you emit an energy of wealth and abundance, your life will be enriched with more prosperity and affluence. Likewise, if you exude negative or discordant energy, you are likely to repel experiences that do not align with your state of being. Understanding that your vibrational self attracts like-minded energies makes it clear that to invite different experiences into your life, you must alter the signals you emit. Discover the incredible power that lies within you. You are not confined to mere physical existence in this world. You are an energetic being, immersed in a universe of vibrating energy. Every thought, emotion, and action you undertake requires energy, shaping your experiences and leaving an impact on the world around you. Unlock the endless potential of your vibrational self by consciously adjusting your thoughts, emotions, and overall energy to align with your desires. Your thoughts are not mere mental processes. They carry energy and vibrations, setting off specific frequencies in the neurons of your brain. This energetic activity acts as a powerful force, attracting corresponding experiences and manifesting the essence of your focus. Embrace the freedom to guide and manage your energy, concentrating it toward your goals and aspirations. Protect and nurture your energy by redirecting your attention when feeling down, spending time with positive people, and engaging in joyful activities. Recognize the profound impact of energy on your well-being and trust in its transformative power. With faith in yourself and the universe, your energy becomes a potent force, emitting both power and serenity. Your thoughts transform into beliefs, and your dreams materialize into reality. By believing in your aspirations and taking concrete steps toward them, you have the ability to create remarkable transformations and fulfill your yearnings. Close your eyes, connect with your inner self, and embrace the love, strength, and brightness that flows within you. Believe in your capacity to create reality and achieve your aspirations, for you are capable, worthy, and adored. Remember, you are not a drop in the ocean, but the entire ocean in a single drop. Your vibrations echo throughout eternity, and the universe eagerly awaits your harmonious energy to co-create a reality beyond imagination. Align your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with your desired vibration, and witness how corresponding experiences manifest into your life. Your support through sharing and commenting would mean the world to me. Thank you for joining me on this awe-inspiring journey, and may your day be filled with beauty and wonder.